So when it's a lovely sunny day and you want to let some ventilation come into your awning, you can have a veranda pole. Now on all the Telta awnings, they've got little fittings on every tube, and what you do is you buy your veranda pole, it pushes in on either side, get your panel, unzip it to create a nice feature on all your awnings. Now a second thing that the veranda pole does is if you've got your panel closed, it also acts as a hanging bar. Now the hanging bar goes in this position, and what you get is you get two fittings. Now the small fitting just clips up into the front corner, just there, and then the longer fitting with the longer strap, and it's all adjustable, just goes up into the top corner. Now you might need your caravan step, so there we go. Now you get your pole once again, obviously you're going to need to twist and extend it. It fits in the little pocket once again, nice and secure. Run it across, twist and extend your pole, again twist and extend your pole, and last time twist and extend, and then it just clips in, and then just adjust your height to make sure it's nice and level. And that's on all the Telta awnings.